In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow Canva to use your microphone and your camera. Now, here's how you do it. It is very easy. Now, the chances are you want to use this because you want to record a presentation. So go ahead and open up your presentation. Obviously, you will have a actual graphic on here and you would have created a presentation. Now, if you go to present in the top right-hand corner, you can then go ahead and present and go to present and record and then click next. And it might then give you a notification allowing you to allow the camera and mic. So if you go to recording studio, it's then going to open up this pop-up. Now, if this pop-up doesn't open to give you access to the microphone and camera, you want to go to the top left-hand corner to this button here. It's going to be next to the URL. And you can do this on Canva or the recording. Then check microphone, check camera, and you've turned them on. And now you will then be able to select them because you've actually give access to them on Canva. So now you'll be able to see them, you'll be able to change them, and so on. So that is how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.